to Adventures with Penny. We're here at the Plaza of Miracles. I don't know how to say it in Italian because I'm not fancy like that. To see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. We're super excited and maybe we'll be able to go to the top. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it doesn't fall down on us. Wish us luck. During our trip to Italy, we were determined to see the iconic Tower of Pisa, but with only a few hours to spare, would we have enough time to climb it? So this parking lot is only like a block away from the Leaning Tower of Pisa and is only like a couple euros per hour to park here, and it's secure. Unlike there's some other parking lots that are free, but they're not secure, which is why we came here because we got all of our stuff in the car. So, pro tip. We are about to go get tickets to go up to the Tower of Pisa and actually climb to the top. That's what we're hoping to do, and hopefully it doesn't fall on us while we're up there.
Or hopefully it does. Well, we got our tickets. We are on our way to the tower. Yep, it's definitely leaning. Not straight at all.
Very observant.
There it is. We're going all the way to the top. All the way!
We successfully got our tickets, but they're only for like 10 minutes from now, so we've got a little bit of time to kill. Probably gonna walk around, take some of those classic dumb pictures, cause why not? You're at the Tower of Pisa, you have to.
My great gift to the city of Pisa. I'm gonna straighten that tower.
Not even close. We're about to go up to the top, but I just wanted to let you guys know, because I didn't know you can't bring your bags, but they have lockers, which is super nice, and it's just included with the price of the ticket, so I just dropped off my camera bag, just got the essentials now, we ready. It's smaller in here than I was expecting. Walking the Square of Miracles is free and doesn't require a ticket, but you'll need a reservation to climb the Tower of Pisa. It's recommended to buy tickets online in advance to reserve a time slot, since they limit the number of people who climb it each day. Honestly, we kinda lucked out getting tickets to climb the tower during our quick visit. While we climb the tower, here are some quick Tower of Pisa fun facts. Construction on the tower began in the year 1173, finishing in 1399. This is so cool. Look at how the stairs are like worn from people walking. The Square of Miracles is a cathedral complex, and the Tower of Pisa is actually the church's bell tower. They actually stopped ringing the bells because they believe it was contributing to the tower sinking. There are 251 steps to reach the top of the tower. Is it bad that I'm already getting tired?
Pisa gets its name from a Greek word meaning marshy land. Foreshadowing, perhaps? The original height of the Tower of Pisa was about 197 feet, but because of the soft, marshy ground, it slowly began to sink. Today, the height is about 186 feet on the high side and 183 feet on the low side, with a lean of about 4 degrees. After multiple engineering efforts to reinforce the tower over the years, it has finally stopped sinking.
Round, round, round the stairs we go.
99.5 people out of 100 that subscribe to Adventures with Penny won't regret it. Wait, how did that get in here?
Didn't know today was leg day.
Almost there.
I feel a breeze.
We made it to the top.
Not the top. We still have one level to go.
Oh, okay. Darn it. I thought I was done.
Nope. More.
So is this where you walk the plank?
That's where the Assassin's Creed guy jumps off into the hay bale.
What a view. This is gorgeous. I mean, there's a pillar right there, but...
Can you feel the incline?
Yeah. Up. I hope you're not claustrophobic. This is where we've got to go next.
the top of the tower. Check it out. Such an amazing view. Worth it for the steps, I guess.
They're not too bad.
I did get out of breath, but I'm out of shape, so that's not saying much. But yeah, it's really cool up here. You can see, go 360 around the top. There's like some bells and the views.
Great view of Pisa.
Everything you could ask for.
Definitely.
And the tower hasn't fallen over, so that's great. So they say, even though it's leaning, it's stable now. Let's find out.
Oh, what have you done? Stop it. You're gonna get us kicked out of all of Italy.
What do you think?
It's pretty high up. Definitely feel the lean.
Now we had to make the long climb back down.
You know, it's a lot easier going down than up.
We came to the city of Pisa. We saw the tower. And, better yet, we conquered it. We climbed all the way to the top, way up there.
So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That's it for now, but we'll be making a bunch more videos about our travels in Italy, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.
That boy will cruise so many Italian countrysides.
Now, to continue our journey, we're off to the hills of Tuscany. Let's go. Get in. Well, that's it, folks. We saw the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Pizza? Pisa. We saw the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Very nice. How much?
The answer is 20 euro. That's how much.
And it hasn't fallen over yet.
Ooh, yeah, hopefully it doesn't. Otherwise we die.
It's perfectly stable. There's a child over there.
Oh, yeah. Don't scare the children.